No. No. You were wrong. He was wrong. Who said that? I didn't say that. If I said that, I would have been wrong. I would have been wrong. Isn't that right, Harry? I'm not arguing that with you. I'm not arguing that with you. Go. Go. I am not arguing that with you. Listen, let me call you back. I got something here, okay? Don't say anything until we finish our conversation, all right? Joe. Yeah! You have lunch 3 hours.
Yeah, about that. Where's my friend? Where is my friend? Mr. Vaturi. Mr. Vaturi. Hello?
This is company property, mister. Joe, don't touch that! Ah, what are you doing?
I'm opening or closing the main drain.
You shouldn't be touching that, Joe.
Nothing happened. You know how long I've been wondering what would happen if I did that?
What's the matter with you?
Brain cloud.
What?
Oh, never mind. Listen, Mr. Waturi. Frank. I quit.
You mean today?
That's right.
That's great. Don't come looking for a reference from me.
Okay, I won't. Robinson Crusoe.
You blew this job.
Romeo and Juliet. The Odyssey.
You blew this job.
Ukulele. Been working here 4.5 years. The work I did, I probably could have done in 5 or 6 months. At least 4 years left over. 4 years. If I had them now, like gold in my hand. Here. This is for you. Goodbye, Didi.
You going?
If you're leaving, leave. You'll get your check. And I promise you, you'll be easy to replace.
I should say something.
What are you muttering?
This life, what a joke. This situation, this room.
Joe, maybe you should just go.
You look terrible, Mr. Waturi. You look like a bag of shit stuffed in a cheap suit. Not that anybody could look good under these zombie lights. I can feel them sucking the juice out of my eyeball. Suck, 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 suck. $300 a week. That's the news. For $300 a week, I've lived in this sink, this used rubber.
You watch it, mister. There's a woman here.
Don't you think I know that, Frank? Don't you think I am aware that there is a woman here? I can smell her like a flower. I can taste her like sugar on my tongue. When I'm 20 feet away, I can hear the fabric of her dress when she moves in her chair. Not that I've done anything about it. I've gone all day, every day, not doing, not saying, not taking the chance for $300 a week. And Frank, the coffee, it stinks. It tastes like arsenic. These lights give me a headache. If they don't give you a headache, you must be dead. So let's arrange the funeral.
You better get out of here. I'm telling you.
You're not telling me nothing.
I'm telling you!
Why, I ask myself, why have I put up with you? I can't imagine. But I know. It's fear, yellow freaking fear. I've been too chicken shit afraid to live my life, so I sold it to you for $300 freaking dollars. Oh, wait! You are lucky I don't kill you! You're lucky I don't rip your freaking throat out! But I'm not going to! Maybe you're not so lucky at that. Because I'm gonna leave you here, Mr. Waturi. What could be worse than that? Dee Dee,
Yeah.
how about dinner tonight?
Yeah, okay. Wow. What a change.